Welcome to the channel of Accelerating Physics. In this video, we are going to see numericals which are based on quantum mechanics. The first numerical is wavelength associated with an electron of energy 100 electron volt is. Now in this case, the value of energy is given, that is 100 electron volt. We have to convert this energy in terms of joule. So 100 into 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 joule. This will be the value. Then the formula will be lambda equal to h upon square root of twice me, where h is Planck's constant, m is the mass of electron, and E is the energy associated with the electron. So substituting the values, we get the value of lambda as 1.2275 angstrom unit. Now the second, an electron is traveling at right angles to a uniform magnetic field of flux density 1.2 millitesla with a speed of 8 into 10 raised to 6 meter per second. Radius of circular path followed by the electron is. Now in this case, value of B, that is magnetic flux density, is given, that is 1.2 millitesla. So it is 1.2 into 10 raised to minus 3 tesla. Velocity is 8 into 10 raised to minus 6 meter per second. We have to calculate the radius of circular path. So in this case, the centripetal force is acted upon by the magnetic field. Therefore, BeV equal to mv square upon r. So R we have to calculate. So R equal to mv upon Be. So the value of m is 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 31 into V. It is 8 into 10 raised to 6 divided by B, that is 1.2 into 10 raised to minus 3 into the charge on single electron 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. So by calculation, the value of radius comes out to be 3.79 centimeter. Now the third numerical, an electron and photon each have a wavelength of 2 angstrom unit. What is their momentum? Now in this case, we have to use de Broglie's formula. For that, the given is wavelength, that is 2 angstrom unit. So 2 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter. Now lambda equal to h upon p. So p equal to h upon lambda, where lambda is the wavelength and h is Planck's constant. By substituting the value of h and lambda, we get the value of p as 3.312 into 10 raised to minus 24 kilogram meter per second. This p is nothing but the momentum. Now the next numerical, the speed of electron is measured within an uncertainty of 2 into 10 raised to 4 meter per second. The minimum space required by electron to be confined in an atom is. Now in this case, we have to use Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. According to this principle, delta x into delta p equal to h upon 2 pi, where delta x is the uncertainty in position and delta p is the uncertainty in momentum. But now in this case, we have to calculate the uncertainty in velocity. So we can calculate the value as delta x into m into delta v equal to h upon 2 pi. So delta x will be equal to h upon 2 pi into m into delta v. Substituting all the values, we get the value of delta x as 0.5795 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter. An electron confined in a box of length 10 raised to minus 9 meter. The minimum uncertainty in its velocity is. Now in this case, the uncertainty in position is given as 10 raised to minus 9 meter. We have to calculate the uncertainty in velocity, that is delta v we have to calculate. So delta x into delta p equal to h upon 2 pi. So delta p is equal to h upon 2 pi into delta x. So the value of delta p, that is uncertainty in momentum, is as follows, that is 1.0547 into 10 raised to minus 25 kilogram meter per second. To calculate the uncertainty in velocity, we know that momentum equal to mass into velocity. So delta P equal to m into delta V. So delta V equal to delta P upon m. By substituting the value of delta P and m, we get the value of delta V as 1.159 into 10 raised to 5 meter per second. Now the electron moving at the rate of 2 into 10 raised to 7 in uniform magnetic field of 1.10 into 10 raised to minus 3, then the radius of the orbit will be. Now in this case the given values are velocity is equal to 2 into 10 raised to 7 and magnetic field is 2 into 10 raised to magnetic field is 1.10 into 10 raised to minus 3. So the formula will be BeV equal to mv square upon r. So r will be mv upon Be. It is 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 31 into 2 into 10 raised to 7 divided by 1.10 into 10 raised to minus 3 into 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. So the value of radius comes out to be 0.1034 unit. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.